It can foster a deeper connection with the world around us. One fascinating aspect of nature's greatness is its ability to heal and restore. Throughout history, plants have been used for their medicinal properties, offering natural remedies for a wide range of ailments. Tulsi, or Holy Basil, is a prime example of a plant that holds significant medicinal value. In Ayurvedic medicine, Tulsi is revered as the queen of herbs, due to its numerous health benefits. It is believed to possess adaptogenic properties, which means it helps the body adapt and cope with stress. Tulsi also has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it valuable for boosting the immune system and promoting overall well-being. Tulsi can be consumed in various forms, including as a herbal tea, capsules, tinctures, or by simply chewing the leaves. Regular consumption of Tulsi is thought to support respiratory health, relieve symptoms of cough and cold, and promote a healthy heart. It is also known to help alleviate stress, anxiety, and insomnia, while providing a calming effect on the mind. Beyond its medicinal properties, Tulsi holds cultural and spiritual importance in several traditions. In Hinduism, Tulsi is considered sacred and is often planted near temples or homes. It is believed to purify the surroundings and protect against negative energies. Tulsi is also used in religious ceremonies, and the leaves are offered to deities as a sign of devotion. The significance of Tulsi extends to its environmental benefits as well. This versatile plant acts as a natural insect repellent and has the potential to repel mosquitoes that carry diseases like malaria and dengue fever. Its cultivation also contributes to biodiversity, supporting a variety of pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds. So, whether you are interested in Tulsi's medicinal properties, cultural significance, or environmental contributions, there is much to